Form 8821 authorizes a specific person or organization, called an appointee, to receive confidential tax information from the IRS on your behalf. Unlike Form 2848, which grants the right to represent you, Form 8821 is disclosure only. Your appointee can receive and inspect your returns and records, but cannot argue a case, make agreements, or take action for you. Section 1 identifies you, the taxpayer. Enter your name and mailing address in the text area. Then enter your Social Security number or Employer Identification Number in the field to the right. Section 2 identifies your appointee. Enter their name, firm name if applicable, and mailing address. Section 3 specifies what tax information your appointee is authorized to receive. Enter the type of tax, the form number, and the years or periods. Here, we are authorizing the appointee to receive income tax information, Form 1040, for years 2022 through 2024. Both you and your appointee should keep a signed copy. You can revoke Form 8821 at any time by sending a written revocation to the IRS or filing a new Form 8821 that lists the same appointee with a revocation date. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com.